this was definitely a big victory for women that is due to a last-minute change, literally last-minute change made by the government under the enormous pressure from the society, from NGOs and from members of the parliament, even members of the parliament of the governing Syriza party that had raised their disagreements with a proposed law many months ago. With a new law adopted by the parliament yesterday, Greece becomes the 9th out of 31 European countries that have recognized that sex without consent is rape. As you can understand, after the adoption of the new law, there was a lot of satisfaction among the activists that were campaigning the last period for this. They describe it as a huge victory for women, not only in Greece, but in Europe in general. Amnesty International was one of these NGOs of the organizations that campaigned for the amendment of the law. And yesterday, in a statement they made, they commended that today's last-minute climb down by the government demonstrates that change is possible and should give hope to people campaigning for consent-based laws wherever they are.
This change in the law, what impact politically might it have? Because, of course, we've got the general elections coming up just in the next month.
Yes, as I said, the issue has already raised a lot of pressure from the society. It also triggered a lot of criticism from the opposition. And even though we're not officially in a pre-electoral campaign, as the Prime Minister will probably go on Monday to the President of the Republic to ask him to proclaim the elections, which will probably happen the 7th of July. Still, though, the parties have started to crossfire, and this was one of the first issues to make the tension rise very high. For sure, the impact will be positive for the governing Syriza party, not only because they show that they hear what the people have to say, but because they also managed to calm down the voices inside Syriza party that, as I said, had raised disagreements with a proposed law a long time ago.